Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I'm super excited for this video because I thought I'd go ahead and do a quick little Boxycharm unboxing. So I got my Boxycharm box in the mail today. I am affiliated with Boxycharm, so they send this to me each month and I'm super grateful. It's always fun to try out. So I love sharing this video with y'all, and I actually just got home from a concert like a few minutes ago. I grabbed a cup of coffee because caffeine was needed, and I already had my makeup done and everything, so I thought it'd be fun to just do a quick little extra video on this. If you're wondering, I have the Natasha Nona Metropolis on my eyes, but I didn't film a tutorial or anything. It was just what I slapped on before I left my house today. So let's just go ahead and jump on in. This box is actually different because you can see it's slightly bigger than the regular box size, and they did go ahead and up their boxes to, oh gosh, I can't remember what the exact numbers are, but I think that it's $23 a month now. But I think the value is now like $150 a month at least, or something along those lines. I'll have to go and check it out on their website, but I know that it is more than it used to be. However, as you can see, it's bigger than it used to be also because I have a little previous box here because I'm always recycling these and using them to store something, and here is the size difference. Okay, so the theme this month is Stellar, and it comes with a little card as always. So the first thing that's on the top of the box is a little Complexion sample set here, and this is the Pretty Vulgar Lightweight Concealer, and I believe that they are sending these out. They have a Becca one also I've seen, and it's so that you can fill out for your profile online which colors suited to you the best, because they're going to be doing different complexion products in boxes now, and you can fill out your profile. So I would try Little White Lies out of these, but I do feel like if they were gonna, I mean, I don't know, I feel like only 4 sample shades to choose from, and trying to put everyone into four colors, that's not that much. I'm sure they're trying, but I don't know. Maybe I will try this just because I haven't tried that much from Pretty Vulgar, but I don't have like a profile or anything, so I'm not sure how that works for me. But anyways, next, all right, this is cool. These look interesting. So next in the box is from Boxycharm actually, and it says it's a 2-piece brush set. So it has a little Boxycharm little like bag, and oh gosh. Okay. These look really cool. So these are what the brushes look like. Very, very interesting looking brushes. They remind me of the like oval brushes. I have one here, which is really, really nice. I don't even remember what this one's called. It's the palm brush. So here's what it looks like. So it reminds me of that, except it's like taking the idea of the oval brush, but still making it like a regular face brush rather than like the little handle. Ooh, well, that's really soft, actually. Huh. Okay, so now I'm really, really intrigued to compare these two. I'm not sure if they're going to end up selling these by themselves, but that feels really, really soft. It's $35 for both of them, and this Artiste one I really like, but it's like $70 on its own, which is crazy. So those feel really, really cool. I'm excited about that. That's the first time I think Boxycharm has done something on their own. The only thing is the handles do feel a little bit cheap just because this is so heavy and this is so light and it feels very plasticky. I think it would have been better if they had done something like wooden, or I don't know. Handles don't feel the best, but the actual brushes feel really soft and they're really cool. My camera is dying because I forgot to change my battery. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm a mess, but I'm back. So yeah, I don't know where I was, but basically I'm really, really excited to try these brushes. I think that they actually seem really cool and interesting and unique, and I'm pretty sure most people don't. I don't know if I've ever seen another brush like this. Like I said, I've seen the ones with the like little handle, but these are pretty cool. So definitely going to be using those. I'll try them out in a future video. So the next thing that I see here, this is from Tula Skincare. Here's what it looks like. There are 2 different masks, and it says it's a Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask. Okay, so it says probiotic and superfoods. I've never heard of Tula before. So let's see. It says It's supposed to clear skin, zero irritation. Our acne gel contains 2% salicylic acid to clear up acne, prevent breakouts, and brighten marks left by past acne. That sounds so perfect for me right now because I've been breaking out like crazy. So I think I actually might try one of these tomorrow night, actually, and see how I like it. It retails for $22 for the 2-pack. That's a little bit more than I would normally spend on a sheet mask, but I'm definitely willing to try it out. My favorite one is the Patchology, the Good Fight mask, I think is what it's called. Those are like $5 each, and they really, really help my skin. I know not everyone loves receiving skincare in Boxycharm, but for me, I feel like it's like getting something that I want to use, but I don't want to buy, and getting it at like a portion of the price. If I were to be paying for Boxycharm, of course, like I get comments that I'm like super picky or I'm like too negative with Boxycharm, and it's because I don't want to like overly like make it positive just because I get it for free. Like, oh yeah, this is worth it. Like, of course, everything is going to be worth it if you didn't pay anything for it. So I try to think of the mindset of, if I paid $23 for this box, would I be happy? What would I actually like? I try to keep it as real as I possibly can from the position that I'm in. So if I were paying for the box, I love sheet masks, so I would be happy with those. All right, next in the box. Let's see, we'll pull this out. We'll save the best for last because I see everything that's in here, and this is not as exciting to me. So this is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Oh my goodness. Retails for $50. Was not expecting that. I don't really know anything about Juice Beauty. I might have gotten something from them in the past. I might have some skin oh lordy. I might have a sample or something that I got maybe from Ulta from them. I don't even know. But it says it's a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into certified organic antioxidant-rich botanical juices, works to reduce the appearance of dark circles and fine lines around the eyes for lasting, advanced, age-defy results. I don't know if I necessarily need to use a product like this for myself right now. I normally just use an eye cream. I don't like to use a lot of eye products just because I have very sensitive eyes. So I think I'm probably going to pass this on to my mom. I think that she would really like it and enjoy it. And it's a $50 eye cream. Like, I want to pass it on to someone who will use it more than me. I don't feel like I need to do anti-wrinkle things right now. I don't know why I have this like weird theory in my head that if I start using anti-age and anti-wrinkle stuff now when my skin doesn't even need that like 20 years from now or 10 years from now when I'm like thinking maybe I should use anti-wrinkle stuff, my skin will already have grown so accustomed to it that it won't make a difference. Is that a thing, or is that something I've made up completely in my mind? All right, so the next thing in the box I'm definitely really excited about. It is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick, and I'm not sure what shades everyone is going to be getting, but this one is the shade Nude Mood, and I just looked through my YouTube videos real quick because that's my easiest way to know if I own something or not. I have a lot of Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks, so I tend to forget names, but I don't own this shade, and this is the second time Boxycharm has sent me a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick that I didn't already own, and I feel very, very impressed. Like, what are the chances? So this is the shade Nude Mood. It retails for $18. I love Dose of Colors liquid lipstick formula. It's one of my favorites, actually probably my favorite, so I'm always so excited when I see them in the box. I think the last time that they did a round of Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks, they did some really bright shades. I got this super vibrant pink, which I love, but this looks like such a pretty nude. I'm super excited about it. Ooh, yeah. Okay, let me just get rid of some of that. So there is Nude Mood. It's just a very, very light pinky color. Definitely will use that. I love these kind of colors. And like I said, I love their liquid lipstick formula. So for me, almost the entire price of the box is this liquid lipstick. And then if you add everything else on top, worth it. Okay, so next, I'm super excited about this. I already knew it was going to be in my box just because I saw a little sneak peek. And this is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette, which looks like this. Super cute little packaging. I like it. It's like this grunginess with just like the flashes of color. So if you're looking at this and you're thinking that's a pretty small palette for Celestial Thunder, you are correct. They made a smaller version for Boxycharm. Like, how cool is that? So I'm looking at the original palette, and there's definitely shades in there that I wish had been in this if I were able to make my perfect 8 shade palette out of that one. However, I still really like Lucid Dream. I like Fireball. Mystic Ice looks really pretty. So I'm excited to try this. For me, the Dominique Cosmetics formula has been a little hit and miss in the past. I don't love everything they've done. So I'm definitely willing to give this palette a chance. So I'm just going to go ahead and do some quick swatches because why the heck not. First, we have Eternal Light here, which just looks like a kind of like light taupe. So it has a good little bit of shine to it. It also has a little bit of sparkle. So that looks pretty. Then we've got Fireball, ooh, which is definitely a duochrome. That's actually really beautiful. It has an orange base and then it shifts red, so you're not going to be able to see on camera. It's not quite as intense as a lot of indie singles I have that are very, very similar to this. I could dupe this so fast and dupe it better. But for something you can easily get your hands on, it does look pretty. And then there is Black Matter. So that one is like a shimmer, but it's a little bit more like thick. It's so strange to me because all 3 of those shimmers felt like they had a different formula, which is what confuses me about Dominique Cosmetics. It's just like a shimmery black with almost like a little bit of a purple reflect to it. And then there is Zero Gravity, which is a gray. All right, next we have Lucid Dream, which is definitely one of the colors that stood out to me most in the palette. It's like a super bright creamy pink. There is Storm Dust, which is kind of just a warm brown. Lunar Eclipse, which is a orange. The mattes all feel really creamy and pigmented. And then there is Mystic Ice, which is a teal. All right, so I don't know what I was thinking with swatching right here, because I can just kind of add to it. All right, so there is the little palette. I mean, I think it's definitely an interesting mix. There's some cool tones, some warm tones, and then like the 2 pops of color, the duochrome. So it's a nice way to try out Dominique Cosmetics. Like I said, when I'm looking at the original palette, I would have changed it a little bit. I would have picked different colors, but I know that I'm not your average consumer. I wear more color than most people, although I'm wearing a very warm look right now. I don't know. I do really like the concept, though. I think it's a cute idea for Boxycharm, and it's also not just like I feel like it's kind of a Boxycharm exclusive to have this little palette and have this size and these colors together and this packaging and everything. So I think that's cute and kind of makes it feel special. So I do like the concept of this, and I will try it out soon. Would you like to see a video trying this out? Let me know and I will do it. And that Celestial Thunder palette says the retail value is $35. All right, so the total retail value for this month's box is $160, which I think is pretty dang good. I'm actually not disappointed with anything in the box this month. The only thing, like I said, that I won't really be using, but I'll pass on to my mom, is the eye cream. But still, that's, I mean, I'm sure a lot of people would really like that and get use out of it. And it's an expensive skincare product that's double the price of the box. So I'm really happy with this month's box. They do have some coupons here I thought I'd mention really quickly. So if you want to purchase from Dragon Beauty, you can use the code BOXYDRAGON with a U and get 15% off your next purchase of $80. Or if you want to go on Natasha Nona, you can use the code ND and like the Anfredan sign, Boxycharm EPNOV. I'll write it down in the description box. That's a lot. That's like a really complicated code. I don't know what they're doing there, but you can save 30% off on the Safari palette, the Sunset palette, or the eyeshadow palette 28. If you're curious to buy anything from Natasha Nona, I believe that they had the Bloom palette in the premium, which is super tempting, but I know I don't need it. I know I don't need it. So anyways, that is everything for today's unboxing. I would love to know if you guys are excited about this month's box. I don't know, I think it was actually a really cool box. I mean, between the liquid lipstick, the palette, these brushes, I'm happy. I'm content. I think it's cool. I really hope that with the like upgrade to the box price, I know it's only $2 more, but I hope that with the new value, they won't be throwing in kind of those random things that sometimes like at the end of the box, it's like the 5th item is like an eyeliner that they say like retails for $10, but it feels like the cheapest eyeliner ever. Or I don't know, sometimes there's just like a really, really random 5th item. So I hope with the upgraded value that little randomness will go away. And this month's box seemed to be really, really nice. Like, I can't tell you how excited I am to try these brushes, but I'm definitely a brush girl. So I'm going to go ahead and stop blabbering. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to let me know down below. I love to do these each month. So I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.